Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. The question says that establish the following vector inequalities geometrically or otherwise. A plus B mod is less than equal to A mod plus B mod, and A plus B mod is greater than equal to A mod minus B mod ka mod. Let's see. So if A is this vector, B is this vector, then we see by triangle law this vector is nothing but A vector plus B vector. So the magnitude of this A, mod A, is proportional to this length, and this length is proportional to mod B. This length is proportional to mod A, this length is proportional to mod B, and this length is proportional to A plus B ka mod. So if I say A, B, C, three names I will be giving. Suppose I give the P, Q, R. So the length PR is proportional to mod A plus B. If you take a proportionality constant 1, PR is proportional to this, and PQ is proportional to mod A, and QR is proportional to mod B lengthwise. And a triangle property, we know this PR must be equal to third side of the triangle must be always less than equal to PQ plus QR. Always you know this sum of two sides is greater than equal to this one. So this I can write that A plus B ka mod has to be less than equal to mod A plus mod B. And also we know the property of the triangle that the difference of the two sides has to be lesser than this third side. So PQ has to be greater than equal to PQ minus QR. But we don't know which is PQ is greater or QR important. So we write the mod of this, we write difference when we take. So PQ we can write that A plus B ka mod is greater than equal to mod A minus mod B, but maybe negative quantity also. So we take again mod of this. So this two relation has been asked to us to prove that A plus B ka mod has to be less than equal to this, and A plus B ka mod has to be greater than equal to A mod minus B mod. This way I prove this one.